to the bathroom. I think I have to go poo too. Green Eye? Green Eye, where are you? Green Eye! I have to go poo too. Well, everybody has to go. Tell our audience why we're here on Earth. Oh yeah. I have to go do something real quick. We're here on Earth so that we can. Wait, hang on. Earth's kind of boring. Yeah, I like Jupiter gets stupider better. Well. This is boring. This rainbow's boring. Is this all of the Earth? There's just a rainbow. Hey, why are you so fat?